Hey you guys, it's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning, and I wanted to share a moneymaker with you. This here is a ULV fogger. This one happens to be by Hydroforce. Y'all know Hydroforce is a very well-known, high quality product coming from Hydroforce. There is a B&G product that's similar to this that John Don likes to sell. It's about $100 less, but of course it's going to be an inferior product. So you want to weigh those costs, down. Is it going to be worthwhile to have something that's going to break down more often, or it might not disperse at the same rate? I honestly can't vouch for what John Don has, but I do know that they sell a lot of cheap stuff. Anyway, so going along here, if you're wondering what a ULV fogger is, let's take a look at, I've got some enzyme, my BioClean here, that is a great enzyme treatment. I've got some deodorizer, Groom Solutions deodorizer, which is a great water-based product. And so what the ULV fogger is, it is for water treatment. It doesn't do oil fogging that you would see. I mean, that's a completely different machine. So this is a cold fogger, wet fogger. So it's going to be, you take your solution, you mix it up and put it in here at whatever dilution ratio you want. You turn this bad boy on and it's going to spray out and disperse that cleaning solution at whatever rate that you set it to disperse it at. So you can literally get some, wet treatment for like a water treatment based stuff for like an odor side, for instance, for like cigarette or tobacco. I think it's tobacco side, or I don't know. I think they got a product like that somewhere. But anyways, you put that in there. You can literally turn this on, extremely fine mist, turn this bad boy on, and just let it sit there in the room, and it will literally create a cloud of your product and just kind of float around the room. It'll do its job. It'll get into impermeate walls and stuff without getting them all completely wet and everything. So, that is a pretty nice feature. So one thing that I use it for is when I clean motorhomes that have like some smoke damage and whatnot, is that with an odor side, it does a really good job of just treating for cigarette and tobacco smells. Again, you can go back, put a deodorizer in it, so when you get done, if you clean a room, if you're doing like a premium package or something, this is a very convenient way to add a deodorizer after the fact without having to switch stuff up, with your sprayers and adding more chemical or this or that. You can just mix it up in here and you can disperse it throughout the entire room. Again, like I said, you can put it out a fine mist, and you can put it on walls, baseboards, all over the place. You get the room really smelling good. It really adds that psychological effect to your customers, and they will notice a difference. I guarantee it.